Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to load the driver for your hard drives in Acer Aspire 3. First you need to disable the secure boot and make the first one to be your USB bootable device. Now we are waiting for the start of Windows installation and I'm going to speed up this process. For the first part where we need to disable the secure boot, you can find every detail in my another video on the top right corner. Now the Windows is searching for disks and it only shows up my USB here. Now let's find the drivers, download them and add them to another USB flash drive that we are going to use to install the drivers. The drivers can be found on a link in the description. I found them here, so you need to download them, copy, paste them in the USB and extract the zip file. Now let's go back to the Acer laptop. This USB we created needs to be added alongside the Windows installation bootable USB. After we add it, we click on Load Driver, Browse button, and from the USB we created, I named it SSD driver, we load the folder with the driver. Click OK, and we need to install the first one in the row. Click on it and click Install. After that, you are going to see all the drives you have in your laptop and you can create partitions. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.